Welcome to the City of Love, Iloilo City. Today we're taking you on a thrilling ride through one of the most anticipated events of the year, the Iloilo Bike Festival. From stunningly decorated bikes in Puni Bicicleta to the fashionable flair of Porma Ciclista, this festival is a celebration of creativity, community, and the love for biking. One of the main attractions is the Grand Parade, where hundreds of cyclists ride through the streets of Iloilo City, showcasing their bikes and the vibrant biking culture. Fun rides are also organized, catering to different age groups and skill levels, encouraging everyone to participate. The festival often includes exhibitions featuring the latest in bike technology, gear, and accessories. Local and international brands display their products, giving enthusiasts a chance to see and sometimes test the newest innovations in biking. Educational sessions are a staple of the festival, offering workshops and seminars on bike maintenance, safety, and biking techniques. Experts and seasoned cyclists share their knowledge, helping participants improve their skills and knowledge. For those with a competitive spirit, the festival hosts various races and competitions. These can range from road races to mountain biking challenges, catering to different types of cyclists and providing thrilling entertainment for spectators. The festival is not just about biking, it also celebrates local culture. Attendees can enjoy cultural performances, live music, and food fairs showcasing Iloilo's culinary delights. This aspect of the festival highlights the region's rich heritage and hospitality. Cycle for change. Promoting eco-friendly transportation and environmental awareness is a core theme of the Iloilo Bike Festival. Various campaigns and activities are designed to educate participants and the public about the benefits of biking for both health and the environment. The festival fosters a sense of community among participants. It's a time for local biking groups to come together, share experiences, and build camaraderie. The inclusive nature of the event ensures that everyone, from serious cyclists to casual riders, feels welcome. And it's not just for adults. Kids can join in the fun too, with family-friendly rides and activities that promote a healthy and eco-friendly lifestyle. If you loved this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us on this incredible ride through the Iloilo Bike Festival. Until next time, keep pedaling and stay inspired. See you in our next adventure.